What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel for the love of dogs. Today's video is going to be how my dogs react to Squishmallows. So I have 3 dogs. I have a dachshund, as you can see right here, and I have a toy poodle, and I have a Pekingese poodle mix. And I have all of these Squishmallows in my bed. And they don't bother them in the bed, but let's see if I just give them a squishmallow and maybe different size squishmallows. I have some clip squishmallows like the peacock, and I have some just smaller ones, and then I've got medium ones and big ones. So let's find out what my dog's reaction to all of these squishmallows is. So first we've got Thor. If I give Luther the shark squishmallow, what do you think? And Navi, the dachshund, what does she think? Are you gonna take the squishmallow? What if I give Navi, Maddox, the gnome squishmallow? Navi. What do you think? Decided to see what would happen if the dog saw wild squishmallows in the outside. Let's see what the other dogs do. So we found a wild Sophie. Let's see what the dogs react to this. Oh, Thor's. Oh, Navi. What does Navi think? Not interested in a wild Sophie, I see. Wild Walker. Wild Walker Squishmallow. Oh, Thor knocked over Walker. Seems as though none of the dogs care about a Wild Walker Squishmallow. They're more concerned about what's going on outside. So I've got 65 Squishmallows. I started collecting them in 2018, and I didn't know were a popular thing. And as you've just seen, my dogs do not bother any of my Squishmallows. I think that they know that they're mommy's toys and not their toys.
Stop that TikTok dance cake, 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 dance cake. She got that TikTok dance cake. Dance cake.